being of a Basque background, growing up in Spain, having those unique experiences, I think is a great topic for a diversity statement. I might not talk too much about the violence and terrorism side of things, because you don't want to raise any questions about where your background lies or where your loyalties lie or something like that.
So yeah, I mean, and so I'm happy you bring that up. I guess like the whole point of the statement is saying like I grew up in a place where that was very acceptable, and then I had to go through this process of like changing my mind. Like if you grew up thinking the church is great, and then you have to like kind of like give up religion or something from like your own thinking. I think that's like an interesting process, because I feel like if I don't mention that, then there's not much point to the diversity statement. You know what I mean? Like I realize it's tricky, but I'm like not being an apologist or anything, because I am not. you know.
Yeah. So if you can talk about the context of like the evolution of your thought growing up in that context, and how you might have changed your mind or changed your opinions along the way, perhaps with greater exposure to other ideas and being outside the bubble of a very small community.
Okay. But then you'd say like tread carefully so that I don't come off as the wrong thing.
Exactly. Like you don't want to come across as an apologist, as you said. And then the general topic of travel and the passport and, the international context of being powerless in front of such a vast bureaucracy, I think is a great topic too for a personal statement. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.